Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pop-ups to your Wix website. So let's get started. So right now, you can actually see that I am on the Wix website editor. So the simplest way to add a pop-up is to head over and click on this Add Elements. And then from in here, just head over to this interactive right here. And in here, you should be able to see this hover boxes. So just click on that, and in here you can just add things right here. So let me just scroll down and let's just put it right here. So let's choose this one. So you choose one that is applicable to you. I'll just choose this one. I'll just need to drag and drop this and then just choose which one or which actual pages or section I want to add this into. So for example, I want to add this in here. So I'll just need to click on this and drop it right here. Now you can customize it however you want it to be. You can actually move it over if you want. You can resize it if you want and all of that. So if you click on hover right here, it will actually be able to change the way it looks. So right now, if you don't want to use hover boxes, then you can also head over and just try to install Wix app. So click on Add Apps right here, and then this will open a Wix app market, wherein you can just search for pop-up right here. So let's search for pop-up. And then in here, you can use this pop-ups, conversion pop-ups, smart pop-ups, and all of that. So for this one right here, let's just choose this smart target pop-up. So let's click that, then click on add to site. And then in here, you just need to upgrade to add your smart pop-ups. So if you don't want to upgrade, then you can look for more pop-up options that is applicable to you. So let's search in here for pop-up again, and then just choose the one that you want. So for this right here, let's choose this Popify right here, or you can also choose this one right here, but this is already a 14-day free trial, but this is the most recommended. So let's try to do that. Click on add site, and then this will be able to install it. So click on agree and add, and then this will load, and then this will head over and onboard us to it. So let's just wait. So just fill out everything right here and click on save. And then once you have saved that, you should be able to see it here right here. So in here, you can use prompts to engage with on-site visitors, increase your store revenue. So from in here, you can also click on view prompts right here that you want. So let's click on view prompts. And in here, it will show us the prompts that they have. So there's no prompt in, so we can just head over and click on add prompt right here. And then once you have clicked that, we should be able to see this site right here. So let's just wait for that to fully load. So here is right here. So in here, they have some templates that you can use. So in here, we can just head over and use this code right here. So let's choose this one. And you can use this template right here if you want to. So click on use template right here. So you can customize it however you want it to be. So if you're satisfied with that, just click on submit right here. And then as you can see, the email capture has been added. Now we can actually head over and just try to use this prompt on our website in here. So make sure that you have added this to your site first. So if you already clicked that, but it hasn't been added, then just head over and add this again if you want. So this will actually prompt you to do those things again, but it will actually help you add this site on your site. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add pop-up to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!